Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you there are multiple position open in Ralliant. Let's discuss about the requirement process and job details. So this is the official career page for Ralliant. Let's discuss about the job description and requirement process. So this position is for software engineer. Location is Bengaluru. So here they mention the job ID for this position. Let's discuss about role overview. So they mention those who are applying for this position, it's required 0 to 3 year experience. That means fresher is eligible for this position, and strong foundation in object oriented programming language and working with knowledge of Python. So and also they are expecting the candidate to prove an ability in defect finding and analysis. So what is the key verification verification engineer key skill is required for applying for this particular position? Fast one Python programming language, strong proficiency in automating scripting and test framework development, defect finding skill also required for identifying and reproducing and documenting defects across the complex system, and defect analysis ability also required to perform root cause analysis, category issue and provide actionable insights. And also next point they mentioned verification methodology which is required for structured test planning, execution and reporting. Collaboration also required closely and cross functional team to ensure quality and timely delivery. That is the main point. Agile practices as a corporate employee, so every corporate is first following agile practices, which is comfortable working with sprints, agile process and active participant in the defect trials. The main point let's discuss about the key responsibility for the candidate. So this is required for designing, coding and testing software modules using Python. Participate is required for in the team discussion and contribute the problem solving. Understand and apply OOPS principle in task. So object oriented programming language, this is the main basic knowledge is required as you are applying for Python role. Attend and activity engage in the training session, so there also give you training, so make sure you are properly learning and listening what they are explaining to you. Collaborate with the team members, so while you are joining as a fresher you have to understand and you have to involve with your leaders and also senior employee to make sure you will get some high quality solutions. Document code and process clearly and efficiently, so make sure you are documenting each code and understanding process very stream process, and also normally you have to learn that one. Support testing and debugging activity, this as you are joining as a fresher you have to explore more about debugging logs and debugging codes, that is main priority. And the required skill, so what is the required skill for this particular position as you are joining as a fresher? So you have some basic knowledge and solid understanding is required for OOPS concept. Basic proficiency is required in Python programming language. Strong communication skill, so whatever you are saying and listening, make sure other have to understand what you are saying to them, that is required communication skill. Quick learner with a growth mindset, as you are joining as a fresher you have to explore more about the technology and you have to coordinate with your seniors and understand what they are doing, and you have to learn that one. Effective team player with a collaborative attitude, so while you are discussing with the customer and your senior you have to make your eye contact properly, and also you have to explain all the technology and whatever query and concern you have to explain properly in a proper manner, that is required. So these are Ralliant Corporation overview, so company details. And about Tektronix, it's also owned subsidiary of the Ralliant Corporation. So both I think merge and also they are working collaboratively. So you have to go through this one, you will get more idea about this job. I hope this whatever I'm explaining you got all the points. If you have any query and concern, kindly comment in the comment box. So once I'm available I will try to reply your message. Thank you so much those who are watching my video. If you think this video is helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.